Hello, hello, hello. It is such a day, yeah. Such a modified day, yeah, 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 yeah. It's a great singing day. And eons ago, there were radios, and my sister and I were in the kitchen. And all of a sudden, a song would come on. And I would rush to the refrigerator door, open it up, and start dancing with the fridge. Yeah, dancing and singing along. Tell me why the stars in the sky are the same kind of stars that I see in your eyes. There were so many songs, and you just rush over to the refrigerator and start dancing. Well, I know, you don't do that now, right? You go, radio? We don't use radios now. No, but you do have a whole list of songs that you sing with. I'm going to talk about when you're a singer and you're singing along. 3 things can happen, and I'm going to mention them to you, okay? You're not able to sing along. You confuse your tonal center, and you doubt your talent. And you say, when I'm singing along, no. That doesn't happen. Yes, it can. Now, when you're not able to sing along, like you're going along, oh my gosh, and you can't sing that note, well, if it's too high, you could strain. And singers come in, and they're trying to sing the songs, and a lot of times they go, well, I can't hit that note in that song. And I understand. It's like when we're doing Singing for a Lifetime, my group. You got to check it out, okay? Oh, and don't forget, you better subscribe, okay? Okay, now we're over here doing the exercises and Singing for a Lifetime, and the women and I are singing. Sometimes I'm going to the notes, and I can't hit them. Now, I made them up, these exercises. I can't hit them, so that day I don't sing them, and I tell them not to sing them that day. But this is when you're singing along all the time with this song, because it's your favorite and you're going to play it. So when you're singing along and it's one of your favorites and you're always singing and you're always trying to get that note, you go, oh my gosh, I can't sing that song. Some singers will keep pushing, trying to hit that note, and you can end up straining. So you don't want to keep straining when you're singing along with singers. That's when it's too high, okay? Now, when it's too low, you're trying to sing the note. And if you're not a singer and everybody laughs and they go, oh, yeah, so, you know what you've done, you've laughed. And when you're a singer, you're not able to sing that note, so you can get husky trying to sing that note. Because a lot of times, I really want to sing, and you keep trying, so you can again strain your voice, pushing it too low, because doing that to your voice can also strain it. Now, that's number 1. Number 2 is confusing the tonal center. Now, what do I mean by that? Okay, when you're singing along and it's too high, a lot of times when you're beginning singing, you'll jump down to a note. A lot of singers that come in, they're jumping down to a note, but it isn't in the key. It's like a wrong note. So you're supposed to sing, and you're singing, and so all of a sudden, you've messed up your tonal center. And if you do that a lot because you're singing along with a favorite song, you're going to sing along a lot of times. You're continually telling your mind and your ear, that that's the note to hit. And what if you hit different notes? All of a sudden, your ear doesn't understand what's happening, and you don't register the right notes. And when the singers come in and they start doing that, because we'll sing along with songs to begin with, so that I hear how the song sounds with them. A lot of times they hit the wrong notes, and I say, do you realize that you're hitting a wrong note? They'll tell me yes, but they don't know how to fix it. And fixing it is changing the key. Not singing it here, but singing it here. Okay? And when it's too low, it's the same thing. I'll have exercises. A student is in here doing the exercises. And in Singing for a Lifetime, I tell the ladies, if it's too low or it's too high, just don't sing it. If it's too low, stop, but think it. So that's the thing. Think about the notes, but don't keep singing them because you're going to sing a wrong note and you jump to maybe a higher one. And that's what I've had students that are in front of me doing that. They'll jump up and I go an octave usually. They'll usually jump up and they'll hit the right notes, but it's an octave and it isn't the right note. Even in the exercises, like I say, don't jump up. You've got to teach the muscles to do the lower notes as well as the higher notes. And just because it's uncomfortable down there, you don't want to, jump. You want to get the muscles used to that. And if it's too low, think them, but don't sing them because your tonal center gets all messed up. Now, when it's a pro, like I said, the jumping of the octave, if it's too low, a lot of times they'll do that. Or if they're used to singing high, they won't do the exercises low. But that's not singing along, but I definitely had to mention that to you, okay? All right, so the third thing is doubting your talent. When you're a beginner, you can so easily get discouraged and say, heck, I can't sing the songs. And I love that singer. You love how that singer sings and you want to sing like them, which you don't want to do, okay? You want to sing like you. But, we think, I can't sing like them, and I love them, I want to sing like them. So you could start thinking you shouldn't be a singer. I don't want you to do that, okay? I want you to believe in yourself and realize it's just up here, and you don't sing there. You're here, and other people are over here. Other people are just over here. But everybody has a range that they sing in. So this singer sings over here. And even though you love the way they sing and you want to sing that style, you don't have to sing over here. You can sing here and it'll sound just as good. Okay? It's not you, it's the key. It's where the song is. But still listen to the singer. But remember, when you can't hit those notes, Now, when I go in and start taking lessons from Marquita, then she's going to change the key and it's going to fit just right. Like my shirt fits me. I'm not going to wear a size 13. It's going to hang on me. I'm not going to do a song that's way up here that doesn't fit me. Now, a pro singer can get their pride involved and doubt their talent. I sing as good as that singer. Why can't I hit that note? And they love listening to the song, right? Well, the ego gets in, and you start pushing, and then you start straining, and oh, man. And you get frustrated, and you start, your ego takes over. And you got to realize, no, just remember, it's okay to change the key of the song and make it fit you. Everything has to fit you. The lights have to fit you. The sound has to fit you. The key of the song has to fit you. So don't get all wrapped up in your pride. Realize that it's okay. It's okay for you to sing it over here, not over here. Okay? All right. So those are the three things that happen. They can cause major problems because you end up straining. You end up messing your tonal center, and that jumping the notes to an octave and not actually singing the lower notes can mess with you too, with the quality of your sound, okay? Because you won't have that nice low bottom notes. You won't have them because you just change things around. All right, so remember, everything has to fit you. And the third thing, confusing the tonal center and then doubting your talent or messing with your mind with your talent. You see, up here, a lot of singing and a lot of our artistry, in our working, our talent, our career, everything, it's up here. We've got to really be smart about things. So when you're singing along, be really smart when you're singing along, and just know you're just wonderful as you are, okay? And you know what? A fly just flew by. I don't know whether it came on the camera, but there was a fly, and I'm going, what's he doing here? I didn't invite him. You know, what can I say? Oh my gosh. All right, so I got to tell you, if you want to work your voice out, if you're a lady, if a girl, you're a woman, come over to Singing for a Lifetime, okay? It is a membership, and I'd like to invite you in. So let me know, or go to marquitawaters.com, check it out. And then the next thing is the vocal workout course. That's online, okay? And you might say, why is she saying this all the time now? You know why? Because you need to work your muscles. You need to do this with a person who sings. I will not grow weary, Lord, though sometimes I do. Woo! I will not grow weary, Lord. Yes. So I'm a singer. I understand you, and I can help you with your voice. And I'm going to do a lot more singing now, let me tell you, okay? So the vocal workout course is to move your muscles, to work them. That's why my muscles are strong, okay? And I'd like to help you with that, okay? So you can check it out. It's up to you, all right? And I do have warm-ups if you like them. They're free. You know, it's about working our voices before we sing and stretching them from low to high, okay? Also, you need to subscribe. You need to leave a comment. I need to hear from you. All righty, so it's wonderful. Remember, don't push your voice too much, but don't baby it either. Okay? Love you guys. Have a wonderful singing day, because it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fun day, yeah. Woo. Bye-bye.